Ever felt like the world of investing is speaking a different language? Like there's some secret club everyone else is in and you just didn't get the invite? You're not alone. Investing can seem incredibly daunting, filled with jargon, complex strategies, and the ever-present fear of losing your hard-earned money. But what if there was a way to simplify things? What if there was a platform that offered a range of investing options, all under one roof, designed to be accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros? That's what we're diving into today. We're taking a closer look at SoFi Invest. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about why this even matters. Why should you care about finding a good investing platform? Well, think about your financial goals. Maybe it's buying a house, starting a family, or securing a comfortable retirement. Whatever your dreams are, investing can be a powerful tool to help you achieve them. It's about making your money work for you, rather than just letting it sit in a savings account. But navigating the world of stocks, bonds, ETFs, and all the rest can be overwhelming. That's where platforms like SoFi Invest come in. They aim to break down those barriers and make investing more approachable. So, what exactly is SoFi Invest? In short, it's an online investing platform that offers a variety of ways to invest your money. It's part of the larger SoFi ecosystem, which also includes things like personal loans, student loan refinancing, and banking services. But today, we're focusing specifically on their investment offerings. One of the key features of SoFi Invest is its diverse range of investment options. You're not limited to just one type of investment. Instead, you have access to several different avenues, which allows you to diversify your portfolio and manage risk. Let's break down some of the main offerings. First, there's active investing. This is your traditional brokerage account where you can buy and sell individual stocks, ETFs, and options. If you're someone who likes to do your own research, pick your own investments, and actively manage your portfolio, this is likely where you'll spend most of your time. SoFi provides tools and resources to help you with your research, including real-time market data and analyst ratings. Next, we have automated investing. This is often referred to as a robo-advisor. If you're new to investing or prefer a more hands-off approach, this is a great option. You essentially tell SoFi your investment goals, your risk tolerance, and how much you want to invest, and then their algorithm creates and manages a diversified portfolio for you. It automatically rebalances your portfolio over time to ensure it stays aligned with your goals. This removes the need for you to constantly monitor the market and make trading decisions. It's a convenient way to start investing without needing to become an expert overnight. Then there's SoFi's ETFs. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like baskets of stocks or bonds that track a specific index or sector. SoFi offers its own suite of ETFs, which can be a cost-effective way to gain broad market exposure. These ETFs cover various sectors and investment strategies, giving you even more options for building a diversified portfolio. Another interesting feature of SoFi Invest is their IPO investing. IPOs, or initial public offerings, are when a private company first offers shares to the public. Access to IPOs is often limited to institutional investors or high-net-worth individuals. SoFi, however, gives its members the opportunity to participate in select IPOs, which can be an exciting, though potentially risky, way to invest. Now, let's talk about some of the advantages of using SoFi Invest. One of the biggest draws is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to understand how to use it. The platform also provides educational resources to help you learn more about investing. Another advantage is the low fees. SoFi offers commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, which can save you a significant amount of money over time. This is especially beneficial for active traders who make frequent transactions. Furthermore, the integration with other SoFi products can be a major plus. If you already use SoFi for banking or loans, having your investments on the same platform can simplify your financial management. Of course, no platform is perfect. There are a few things to consider before deciding if SoFi Invest is right for you. While they offer a wide range of investment options, some more advanced trading tools might be limited compared to more specialized brokerage platforms. Also, while their customer support is generally well regarded, some users have reported occasional delays in getting assistance. It's crucial to remember that investing always involves risk. There's no guarantee of making a profit, and you could potentially lose money. It's essential to do your own research, understand your risk tolerance, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. SoFi Invest, like any other platform, provides the tools and resources, but the ultimate responsibility for your investment decisions lies with you. So, who is SoFi Invest best suited for? It's a great option for beginners who are just starting their investing journey. The automated investing feature and educational resources make it easy to get started without feeling overwhelmed. It's also suitable for those who prefer a more hands-off approach to investing. The robo-advisor can manage your portfolio for you, freeing up your time and energy. And it can also be a good choice for active traders who are looking for a commission-free platform. In conclusion, SoFi Invest offers a compelling combination of diverse investment options, a user-friendly interface, and low fees. It aims to democratize investing, making it more accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's worth exploring to see if it aligns with your financial goals. It's important to do your own research, compare it to other platforms, and ultimately choose the one that best fits your individual needs and investment style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.